If you guys are tired of the same old chicken flavors for your weeknight meals, I've got 5 new marinades that'll really spice up your life. Thanks to ZipTop for sponsoring this video. Okay, so the first one I am going to make is a miso ginger. It's packed full of flavor and it uses most of the items you already have in your fridge or your pantry. So first to my bowl, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of miso. I'm using red miso here, but if you want a more mild flavor, you can go for yellow miso. Next, I'll add some sesame oil to give it that nutty flavor, some garlic of course, rice vinegar for some extra tang, honey for balance, ginger because it's miso ginger marinade, some soy sauce to give it that umami and saltiness, and finally some avocado oil. And now with my whisk, I'll just mix. So miso can be kind of tricky because it's clumpy. Just kind of mash it down and then it'll mix beautifully. All of the amounts to the marinades will be listed in the description box below. All right, so that is it for our marinade. Pretty simple, right? So now, let me go ahead and show you guys how I like to marinate this. Whenever I do chicken marinades, I like to make a lot so that I could meal prep and freeze ahead of time. So that's why I am using these zip top containers here. This is the sandwich bag size. And what I love about this is that it's extremely durable, microwave, dishwasher, and freezer safe, and it's made in the USA. All I have to do is add the chicken. It stands up, so it's not like regular plastic sandwich bags where it's just kind of flimsy. This is made with 100% platinum silicone, so you don't have to worry about plastic leaching into your food. This is free of BPA, lead, and PVC. So I'm going to add this in here and then just pour in my marinade. Seal it up. I'm letting out all the air first. Give the chicken a quick massage and let the marinade distribute. And because of the great design, I can just stand it up like this in the freezer or fridge and save a ton of space. Stay tuned till the end because I'm gonna show you how I pair this miso ginger chicken with the most delicious, nostalgic salad. This next one is inspired by your favorite takeout chicken dishes that you can now make at home. We're gonna be making an orange chicken marinade. Okay, so this one is really easy as well. Again, it uses things that you already have in your pantry or fridge. I honestly don't even buy marinades anymore because as you can see, I'm like a condiment chemist where I can just mix up flavors based on my mood. Okay, so first I'm gonna be adding our brown sugar, some ginger, rice vinegar to give it that extra tang, oyster sauce. This one is unusual, but trust me, it really rounds out the flavor. We have garlic and of course orange juice and soy sauce. And because I want the orange flavor to really stand out here, I'm gonna add zest from half of this orange. This way it infuses the orange oil flavor in there. And then with my spatula, I'll just mix. All right, I have to give this one a quick taste. Oh yeah, that's it right there. Now, if you guys wanted to preserve the marinade for, let's say, a sauce, you can use it after you grill off or cook off the chicken. All you have to do is just boil it for 5 minutes, watch it thicken up, and it'll be the perfect drizzle sauce for whatever you're enjoying the chicken with. All right, same thing. Adding my chicken to our zip top container, pour in our marinade, and we'll zip up the top. Since this marinade is a little more loose, you don't really have to massage it because it kind of just disperses itself. And then for each of these marinades, you can marinate it in the fridge. I would say anywhere from 4 to 6 hours to overnight for optimal flavor, but if you're short on time, an hour should be just fine. If you're feeling like you want more of a Mediterranean flavor tonight, try this tahini lemon marinade. Okay, so this one uses very simple, clean ingredients. I'm gonna start off with some tahini, which is basically ground up sesame seeds. It's very similar, I would say, to peanut butter with a lot more nuttiness. Sometimes the tahini can be quite thick, so I like to thin it out with some lemon juice. I'm gonna use a whole lemon here, but you can decrease it if you don't want it too tangy. Then I'll add some cumin, garlic, dried oregano, paprika, some salt, and olive oil. Just give it a good mix. And let's transfer our chicken. add our marinade. So as you can see, each of the marinades can accommodate 2 really large chicken breasts or 3 small ones, or even like 4 to 5 chicken thighs. All right, so I can't really do a chicken marinade video without doing one of the most popular flavors I've seen in the past couple of years, gochujang garlic. You're never gonna have to buy the bottled stuff again. So this one, I'm gonna start by adding some ginger and garlic, sesame oil, of course our gochujang, some honey to really mellow it out. Sometimes gochujang can be really intense, so this will help. Same with the rice vinegar. And finally, some soy sauce. Now just give it a mix, mix, mix. All right, ready to go. Just give the container a quick squeeze to let the marinade flow to the bottom. Seal it up. All right, one more. This one couldn't get any easier. It contains only 2 ingredients and it's our pesto lemon chicken. So I feel like I'm cheating you guys by sharing this recipe because it's so simple, but it's honestly so delicious. So I'm using jarred pesto here. You can buy pesto from the store. You can also make your own, like whatever you want, but just make sure you have some pesto, add it to a bowl. And then to amp up that herby, fresh flavor, I'm gonna add lemon zest and juice from half a lemon. Just give everything a really good mix. Make sure the pesto's thoroughly combined, and the lemon juice will thin it out too, so it makes for a beautiful marinade. And there's our 5 chicken marinades, 1 for each night of the week. You should get takeout for the other 2 nights. But yeah, so let's go ahead and grill up our miso ginger. Alright, so the chicken is done grilling. It smells incredible. And I've let it rest for about 5 minutes now, so I'm just gonna chop it and meal prep it directly into my zip top silicone bowl. This one's really great for meal prepping. I could either seal it up and save it for whenever I'm ready to eat it, and when I'm ready to eat it, I just add whatever I need to, like these wonton strips and my dressing here. Close it up, give it a good shake, 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 shake. And eat right from the bowl. This salad was inspired by one of my favorite salad bars, so if you guys want to see more salad recipes, more in-depth salad recipes, let me know in the comments section below. Find out more about Zip Top in the link below and save more plastic bags. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!